new lesson, that is using Mailmart 2007. Now, what are we are going to learn from this lesson? We will we need to know about the introduction part. We need to know about creating a Mailmart document. We need to know about creating recipient list. We need to know about inserting March field, viewing the March data, and how to print out. Go with printer. Now, before we start, we need to know what is actually a mail merge. A mail merge is features is used to combine a data source with the main document. If you see here, this is the rows and columns that where I have given the names like name Kabir, Avik, Arika, address I have put, rows and columns, where they are maintaining your contacts or your data in rows and columns, that is in the form of mail merge. Now you can see here, this is one of the data source. It has a main document, it has a March field. First of all, you need to know what is data source. A data source consists of mailing list, for example, name, address, state, city, PIN, telephone numbers, etc. And what is a main document? It contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. And what is a March field? It is a data item such as name, address, city, PIN, etc. which instruct MS Word where to insert the data source information in the main document. Now, how to create a mail merge document? You can see here, it is actually found, this mailing tab is actually found in MS Word. If you going to see this one, document one, Microsoft Word, then where you will found this tab, you will actually found this tab in the mailing tab, where you can start the mail merge, letter wise, email, envelope, labels, directory, normal Word document, step by step mail merge wizard, everything is given. So here are some of the steps are given, just go through one time. Creating a new document and type a letter, click on the mailing tab, select step by step mail merge wizard option from the start mail merge button. Mail merge task pane will appear on the right side of the MS Word application window. Now select the letter option under the select document type. Click on the next starting document, click on use the current document option and click on next select recipient. If you are going to see this one, you will understand this is a Word file that I have opened. You can see here there is the mailing. You can select the recipient if you want. Use the existing recipient. You can use this existing recipient where I have saved many recipient contacts. You can also see these are the recipient contacts are given. It will take time. They are fetching the name, address, everything. And you can see some of the address block where I have given some of the names I have changed. It can be like this, it can be like that. You can change the name, you can match the field, even you can make OK. If you want to insert the merge field, you can merge also all the titles, everything, and match fields and address fields also, like last name you can insert. Everything you can put it. Even you can select recipient also, even you can select some of the recipient. And how they have told to start a mail merge, first of all you need to click on the start mail, go to the letter wise, and after that step by step you can go ahead. Okay, type a new list, create, You can create anything like Mr. Avik. You can write AVIC Avik with last name Saha, company EGS, Eklavya Global, Juna. Uh, you can write some of the address like Pinpur, Gujarat, and city also you can write Junagadh also, or else you can write here Giriraj Road, and you can write some of the city like Junagadh, and you can write West Bengal, or you can write the state like Gujarat. This is how you can add an entry. If you want to add more entry, then you can write here and make it okay, and the contact will be saved with contact contact underscore 7. If you see this one, the saving file has been saved with MDB, that is mail merge database or mailing database. DB means mailing database. Okay, extension has been given. Now you can see here, and after that you can select also, or else you can write later next करके you can write. You can add some blocks, you can greeting lines also you can do like this. You can add some like Mr. Mrs. Radhan like this, Mr. Avik Shah like this, and that can be written here next. And after that you can see the mail merge has been given with the full address, name, contacts, everything has been given. And you can start up here from here, dear. Now you can start your like equals to some of the paragraph you can create. I'm just creating a demo paragraph to write the letters, and you can write something equals to RAND. This will give you data, default data from the word. You can write here also equals to RAND bracket open 2 3. This is what about your recipient, and after that if it is completed then next complete. And if you want to go for printout, that we will do afterward. Let me just show you this one. Now how to create, I told you how to create. Now we will go to the next, creating a recipient list. That also I have made, I have shown you. Okay, only the steps are given. To create a new mailing list, select the type a new list radio button under the select recipient section and click on the create option. The new address list dialog box will appear on the screen. Now enter data in the respective field and click on the new entry button. Enter 3 records of your friends and relatives and click on OK button. You will get a save address list in a dialog box. Specify the name in the file name text box and click on the save button. Now mail merge recipient dialog box will appear. Now click on the next, write your letter, that is part of the section 3 of 6. Okay, now come to the second next slide. How to insert a mail merge, that I have told you how to insert. Click on the insert merge field button in the right and insert field group on the mailing tab. The insert merge field dialog box will appear with the list of field names you have created. Click on the first field name and then click on the insert button. Click on the close button. Separate the field the name by the pressing enter. If you want to see how to insert, it is there, it is given here. This is how you can insert your field name, first name, last name, whatever company name, address, zip, code, everything you can write and make it finish and mark also you can see. If you want to see this one preview, that also will be done here. You can see here for previewing, I need to go to finish and mark, where you can preview your recipient address or e-letter wise. You can check whether MS Word has picked up the data source according to the March field or not by viewing it on the screen. Click on the preview result button in the preview result group on the mailing tab, or click on the next preview your latest result under the step 4 of 6 section. Click on the next record button in the preview result group to view the next record of the data source. If you want to see, I'll show you how it has actually done. Now first of all you need to open the Word, and after that if you go with the finish print document, you can see the printing option is also given, and individually this is the 6 of 6. Previously you can go, you can see how many recipient I have. It has been written one because one recipient, Mr. Avik Shah, is the one recipient is given, so it is showing here as the one recipient. After that if you go next, that will be the last part, that is the finishing part of the recipient, and you can go for the printout, and this is a 6 of 6 steps. Now you can see here the next slide is printing your letters. Now, how to print? Click on the Finish and March button in the Finish group on the Mailing tab and select the Print Document option from the drop-down menu. The March to Print dialog box will appear. Define the desired print settings and click on OK. Select the records will be printed separately along with the letters. Here, it's the printing option is given. You can go through one time. One time you can see also finish and mark and print the document. That also you can, if you want for the current record or all record, you can go for OK, and it will give you, you will get it a printer option where you need to print. Okay, and you can add some printers from where you want to print out this later. Okay, this is how your mail merge actually works, and this is all about your mail merge. So today's what we have learned, that is you need to know, we have introduction part, we know we have defined you mail merge, what is mail merge, what is data source, mailing document, our main document, how you can print, how you can create a mail merge document, how you can create a recipient list, inserting march field, viewing the march data, printing your letter. These are the recap. These are the things we have done. And lastly, thank you everyone. Any doubts, you can email me in aviksha1989@gmail.com.